Hi everyone! Today I'm making Ukrainian pumpkin bread. I usually prepare this bread in my family. So, add in a bowl 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar. Stir the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of warm water, 5 ounces of freshly baked pumpkin puree. And 1/4 cup of oil. You can use any kind of oil. Knead the dough until smooth. My dough is done. Add some oil in the bowl. The dough has rested. Sprinkle the work surface with flour. Spread the dough and form a ball. Then transfer to a baking sheet, cover and let it rest again for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 30 minutes, the bread has rested, and I'm going to dust it with some flour and decorate it. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. My bread is done. Let it cool down. Then I come back to try the bread. My bread has cooled down, and let's cut a slice. This bread soft, moist and full of flavor. It's a great baking bread for the fall season. Thank you for watching.